Balance in nature is truly remarkable. There are three broad ecosystems based on their general environment of freshwater, marine and terrestrial, with all these experiencing vast degrees of biodiversity. Whilst we humans go about our day-to-day lives, perhaps often taking the balance of the world for granted, there are creatures that do their bit to help the planet every single day. Some help to condition the soil, whilst others might pollinate our food crops, much of which happens when we are not looking. Without plankton, there would be half the oxygen in the world that there is today. These microscopic organisms stay close to the surface of the water, where there is enough light for photosynthesis. They also break down organic matter in water and recycle other dead organisms. Plankton are an essential link in the ocean food chain. These wriggly guys are not likely to be at the top of anyone's list of favourite animals, but they are extremely helpful to the earth. As they burrow and consume soil, worms extract nutrients from decomposing matter like leaves and roots. They transport these nutrients to the surface with their excrements, and all that digging that they do aerates the soil. We could all well die from starvation without them. Believe it or not, fish excrement helps the ocean's climate. Fish ingest a lot of salt when they drink salt water and will produce calcium carbonate in their excrements. When this floats to the surface and dissolves, it counteracts the carbon dioxide. This reduces the acidity of the ocean's water, thus creating more balanced chemical levels in the ocean. Primates are our closest relatives on the planet. They are incredibly important in tropical rainforests, where they disperse seeds as they eat fruits in the forest and fertilise the soil. Their daily activities help to prevent the erosion of soil in our rapidly disappearing rainforests, which in turn influence global rainfall patterns. Seals and sea lions have been nice enough to lend their flippers to science. These animals are being outfitted with monitors so they can obtain data from areas of the ocean that are hard for humans to reach. The monitors, which fall off as the animals molt, have helped us understand the effects of climate change on Arctic ice and have allowed us to predict ocean circulation patterns. We all know that bees might sting, but they are wonderful insects. Between all their buzzing, these insects help pollinate plenty of plants, keeping our environment rich and thriving. Science has discovered that they make great detectors too. Bees have been used to locate abandoned but active landmines and as indicators of when toxic chemicals have been released in an area. This impressive skill can allow officials to monitor pollutants and cases of chemical misuse. Originally considered pests, beavers were almost hunted to extinction in the 1800s. Luckily, their numbers have rebounded and beaver protectors are reintroducing them with the use of legislation. The gnawing and damming behaviour of beavers has many benefits to nature. They help prevent floods, droughts and forest fires. Additionally, their regulation of the waterways is a big help to fish and can deflect some of the effects of climate change. It might be easier to say what birds do not do when it comes to the Earth's environment. From seed dispersal to plant pollination, they truly do it all. Birds also aid in insect pest control when they munch on tiny insects and help to aerate soil when they dig with their claws. Birds also play a role in forest decomposition, also acting as bioindicators for the ecosystem. they truly play an essential role when it comes to the Earth's survival. Thank you for tuning into the channel today, and we look forward to seeing you back here very soon.